Basic Gamer JCR here, and we are doing gameplay with the city of Oscar. And okay, as Lamela Suarez, nothing to really be scared of. Alexandru Sissoko, Lamela Spurs version. Suarez. Suarez is the main guy to watch out for, and then Lamela could just burn us with his pace, but. We're playing. We got El Shaarawy. So yeah, let's see how this game turns out. And I already stole it. El Shaarawy. Borja Valero. Bam. 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 Ledesma. I'm only in Division 4. Because I don't really play Ultimate Team. I just do squad builders. Okay, so. Oh, El Shaarawy. Okay, so yeah. We're playing a 3-4-3 Serie A Oz team. It's basically an Italy squad builder. Oh, what a ball from Vucinic. Oh, I was about to hit that. Vucinic. This guy's struggling. I can see it. Vucinic. Oh, God. That was a beautiful shot from Vucinic. Walker. This guy's got a sucky team. I'm going to take advantage of it. Ooh, El Shaarawy. It's a finesse shot. FIFA 14, that's probably a goal. Because we have a demo and we did practice arena, if you guys didn't see that. It's called Finesse Shots OP. So yeah. We actually earned our coins. I played single player tournaments to earn up the coins to build a squad. With Vucinic, El Shaarawy, Migoli, Ranocchia, Lamela. Well, I don't have him. Let's just. I made a save. Abbiati, horrible throw, so he's gonna counter, but Ranocchia is there. Okay. El Shaarawy. Oh god. I didn't mean to do a roulette, I meant to do a step over. That was great defending from Ranocchia. Ranocchia, oh god. Ledesma. That's where that high defensive work rate comes in. Why is the game paused? He paused the game. Wow, already 4 minutes. I may just have to chop it up into game, like part 1, part 2, part 3. Oh god, why did I do that? Ooh, Migoli. 85 pace. There's no way Alexandru is as fast as you. Vucinic! Oh, Walker. Yes, go out. Yes. Okay, Borja Valero. No. Get Borja Valero on the corner. He has... What a ball. Bonera! Wow, center back. Wow, Bonera. I didn't expect that. He was what, like a 60 shot. But look at the ball. He comes in and he just takes a little tap and then... No. Vucinic. Oh! What? My guy just did. Mikoli just didn't stop. Hashtag can't stop, won't stop. Hashtag Mikoli. No, hashtag Mikoli can't stop, won't stop. No! Oh! What a save from Abiati. Get that out of here. No. Oh God. Usually when I'm recording it's not alone, but it's always so quiet without Casey Gamer or Georgetta Raylick on the description down below. Oh, Vucinic. Oh, Sissoko. No. No. Suarez. No, ref. No, 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 no. It's gonna be 9 minutes long and then I'm just gonna end the episode. Oh, Sharap. I thought I saw him down bottom. Ooh. Bye, guys.